So I want us to concentrate more on the consonant sounds. Remember our previous lesson, we spoke more about the consonant and the vowel sounds. But I want us to delve deep into consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are more or less made with blockages, which involves part of our mouth, which include our lips, our teeth, our throat, our tongue, and the various parts of our mouth. That's why a sound or a consonant sound of B is made with the two lips or our lips coming together to form it. B, the same as, and also D, D, also is made with our tongue and the lower or the upper part of our mouth coming together to form this sound. Remember, we have 21 consonant sounds. Out of these 21, two of them can, at a point in time, in different word, can sound as a vowel. So there are two letters of the alphabet which can sound as a vowel and at the same time consonant, depending on the kind of words they find themselves in. That is W and Y. W can be a consonant in a word like what. In a word like what, W starts, whereby the sound becomes w, 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 which automatically involves partial use of our lips. W. The same implies to the vowel sound or the consonant sound yeah, or the letter Y. At a point in time will become a consonant in a word like yes, yes, yes. The Y at this point become a consonant because the sound produced is j, 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 which involves our teeth come together and various portions of our mouth also come together to produce the sound. That's the main reason why we say that the W and Y at a point in time can be a consonant and at the same time vowel. You are wondering, how can the Y become a vowel? In certain words like my, the Y becomes I, where there isn't any blockage of any part of our mouth. That is the main